Hey guys, welcome back to Codicaly. In this video, we are going to look about the installation of Python in Windows 11. Let's get into the video. First, open your favorite browser and type python.org. This is the official website of Python, and in that, click on downloads and or releases. Now you will get a variety of Python versions. Well, here the confusion starts because we need to select one among them. Well, if you're using Windows 10 or 11, go for the latest release. At the time of recording, it's Python 3.10.5. Well, if you are using Windows 7 or 8, go for Python 3.7 because there won't be any greater difference if you just want to learn Python basics. Well, in my case, I'm selecting Python 3.10.5. Now you will get a variety of ways of installing Python. Well, I am recommending Windows installer because it's the easiest way to do. Well, my system is 64-bit, so I'm selecting Windows installer 64-bit, and in that one we need to download that file. After downloading the file, now we need to click that file, and now there will be two options like install now and custom installation. Well, I'll recommend install now because custom installation is a tedious work. I'll click on the install now. After that, give some time for the system to install the Python. After installation, the Python will be installed, but it won't be available for the command prompt to accept. So we need to update the environment variable. Now click on the open ideally. Now search, type the following code. Now we will get a list of Python directories. Now go for the directory like this: PC, OS, users, local programs, Python 3.10. Now copy. We will get the location where the Python is installed. Now we need to update the system environment variables. So search for edit the system environment variables. In that one, click environment variables, and in the system variables, click on the path. Now click on edit. Now you will get our menu. Now we need to copy the path and add it to the path and add it to that system variables. After that, that's it. We install Python in your system. And that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.